This teeth comprises of incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. The incisor is used to fold and for biting, while canine is used for tearing. Premolar and molar are used for chewing and grinding. We can use this set of incisor to determine the animal's age. Let's start from cattle. See the differential formula of the cattle. Cattle don't have incisor at their upper jaw, but they have 4 pair at their lower jaw. No canine. The space created by the absence of this canine is called diastema. And this diastema is used for the manipulation of gases in the mouth. Premolar, they have 3 sets of premolar at the upper jaw, and then 3 sets of premolar at the lower jaw. Same thing, molar. Yes. When you, by 20 days, the 4 teeth, we have 2 types of teeth. We have milk teeth, or deciduous teeth, and we have permanent teeth. By 20 days, all the 4 pairs will appear. That is milk teeth, will be there. When you open the cattle's mouth and you discover that all the 4 pairs are milk teeth, it means that that animal is below 24 months. That cattle. But when you open a cattle's mouth and you discover that the middle pair of that incisor is coming up, it means that that animal is 3 years 3 months. That is 27 months. When you open a cattle's mouth and you see that fork is out, it means that that animal is 36 months. By 42 months, the 3 pair will be out, and by 48 months, all the 4 pairs will be out. This is 4 years. When the cattle begin to age, the color of these teeth will be changing, starting from the middle. It will show signs of wear. By 5 to 6 years, the teeth will start from the middle, and the aging is little by little. By 6 to 7 years, the cattle will start losing this teeth, this permanent incisor, starting from the middle one. That is start for cattle. So by 7 years, the teeth will be removing little by little. Let's go to sheep and goat. Sheep and goats and cattle, they have the same dental formula. That is, the upper jaw, they don't have incisor. Upper jaw, they have 4 pairs of incisor. No canine. Premolar, they have 3 pairs at the upper jaw, and then 3 pairs at the lower jaw. Same thing formula. So the number of their teeth is 32 together. So when you open a goat's mouth and discover that all the 4 sets of teeth are milk teeth, deciduous teeth, it means that animals, that sheep or goat, below 1 year of age. But when you open a goat's mouth and discover that the middle pair is up, that is, the thing has been replaced by permanent teeth, it means that animal is 1 year of age. By 2 years, 2 pairs. By 3 years, 3 pairs. So by 4 years, all the incisor will be replaced by permanent teeth. So as the animal begins to age, the color of the teeth will be changing, it will start to gray. So until 6 to 7 years, when they start reducing the teeth, starting from the middle. So when you open a goat's mouth and discover that the 2 pair of that incisor has been removed, everyone is telling you that the animal is above 6 years of age. The dental formula of a dog. Let's start from incisor. They have 3 pairs of incisor at the upper jaw, and they have 3 pairs of incisor at the lower jaw. Canine, they have a pair upper jaw, they have a pair lower jaw. Premolar, they have 4 pairs at the upper jaw, and they have 4 pairs at the lower jaw. Molar, they have 2 pairs at the upper jaw, but they have 3 pairs at the lower jaw. So making the teeth to be 42 in number. So care must be taken while checking the dentition of the dogs. Don't put your fingers inside the mouth of the dog in order to to avoid the end up having holes in your finger. So, but when you open a dog's mouth and discover that the two pairs starting from the middle is out, it means that that dog is between 1 to 4 weeks. When you open a dog's mouth and discover that the two pairs are out, that one is telling you that that dog is between 4 to 5 weeks. When you open a dog's mouth and discover that the 3 pairs at the lower jaw is out, it means that that dog is 6 weeks of age. When you open a dog's mouth and discover that the middle incisor has been replaced, like that pair has been replaced by permanent teeth, that one is telling you that that animal, that dog is 3 months of age. So when the teeth change to 2 pairs, that dog is 4 months. By 5 months, all the 3 pairs will change to permanent teeth. So as from that 5 months, it is now the color and the condition of that teeth that will be telling you how aged is that animal. When you open a dog's mouth and discover that the color has been changing, that a yellowish tartar has been formed starting from the middle, that one is telling you that the age of that dog is between 1 to 2 years. But when you open a dog's mouth and discover that all the teeth has been showing signs of wears, that one is telling you that that dog is between 3 to 5 years. But when you open a dog's mouth and discover that all the teeth, even the top of the teeth, has been showing signs of wears, and you have seen the neck of that teeth, that dog is between 5 to 10 years of age. Once again, let me remind you, don't put your finger into dog's mouth anyhow.